Hello everyone, I'm your English teacher Shabana, and today class we are going to start chapter number 10, that is our new chapter, Children of Courage. So class, this chapter is about on bravery and a young boy named Prince who awarded the Sanjay Chopra Award. So class, let me tell you one thing about the awards, that is Sanjay Chopra Award and Geeta Chopra Award are the most prized award among the National Bravery Award. It is started from 1979 in the memory of two brave Chopra children who let down their lives while facing their kidnappers. So class, apart from it, this chapter is a story about a young boy who is from Bihar, Gaya, and who awarded the Sanjay Chopra Award at the age of 12. So class, let's read the chapter and we'll know about the boy, how he fought with the robbers and how he get rid from the situation. So class, let's read the.
You see one of your classmates getting mistreated by some senior boys. Will you be brave enough to help your classmate to stand up against the bullies and face them? Or do you think it is foolish to get involved in a situation where you can get hurt? So, class, now read the chapter. The National Bravery Awards for Indian Children was started in 1957 by the Indian Council for Child Welfare ICCW to identify and honor children who have performed outstanding deeds of bravery and selfless sacrifice. Every year, the ICCW gives these awards to children below 16 years of age. These awards are given to children on Republic Day, January 26. So, class, as I told you about the chapter, this chapter is about the bravery. So, class, in the first paragraph, we have read about the National Bravery Award. It is started in 1957 by the Indian Council of Child Welfare. The short form of Indian Council for Child Welfare is ICCW. To identify and honor the children who have performed outstanding deeds. To identify the children who shows the bravery and selfless sacrifice. Every year, on the day of Republic, 26 January, these awards are given to the children who showed the bravery. So class, now we will read the second paragraph of the story, the Sanjay Chopra and Geeta Chopra Award. As I told you this, about the Sanjay Chopra and the Geeta Chopra Award are the two most prized award among the National Bravery Awards. The award was instituted in the year 1979. So class, National Bravery Award started in 1957 and Sanjay Chopra and Geeta Chopra Award started in the year 1979 in the memory of two brave Chopra children who let down their lives while facing their kidnappers. These two awards are presented to a boy and a girl respectively for their acts of bravery. The award includes a medal, a certificate and a cash prize. So class, as I told you about the Sanjay Chopra and the Geeta Chopra Award, these are the two precious awards among the National Bravery Award. So class, these two awards are given to a boy and a girl who acts of bravery, who showed bravery in a difficult situation. The award includes a medal, a certificate and a cash prize. They given cash prize, also a certificate and medal to the boy and a girl. So class, let's start the story of the boy from Bihar whose name Prince Kumar. So let's read. Class, this is the story of Prince Kumar. Prince Kumar is a young boy, as you know, who studies at the Holy Child School in Bihar's Gaya district. He loves to watch cricket matches on TV and is a big fan of Sachin Tendulkar and Shah Rukh Khan. He also watches the countdown shows on television for the latest Hindi film songs. He likes to play cricket and football with his school friends and his brother Ashish. What is the name of his brother? Ashish. Yes, who happens to be his best friend too. He is fond of jalebis and samosas. He likes to eat jalebis and samosas and tries to assist his father. Assist, he help his father in his work. Ramji Prasad run his small jewelry shop in Gaya. His dream is to become an IPS officer. What is the name of his father? What is the name of Prince's father? Ramji Prasad. Ramji Prasad was his father and Ashish was his brother. So class, Ashish wanted to become an IPS officer in his future and he likes to play cricket and football. It means he was a brilliant child. So class, read the next para. Things changed following an incident on 5 November 1999. It was an incident that a year later won him the impressive Sanjay Chopra Award, the nation's second highest award for bravery. So class, the day came on 5 November 1999. It was the incident day in which he fought with the robbers and won the Sanjay Chopra Award. Prince Kumar narrates his story. Here, Prince is telling his story by himself. It was 5 November 1999, 2 days before Diwali. Since it was the festive season, sales were brisk. My brother Ashish and I were helping Daddy at the shop. I left the shop around 11 pm and went home. Daddy and Ashish left half an hour later. So class, in this paragraph, Prince is narrating the story on 5 November. He is saying that it was 5 November, वो 5 November था, the 2 days before the Diwali से 2 दिन पहले, since it was the festive season. As you all know, during the Diwali days, sales were brisk, sales were quickly. My brother Ashish and I were helping Daddy at the shop. He is saying that I, means Prince, and his brother were helping his father at the shop. And he left the shop around 11 pm and went home. His father and Ashish left the shop half an hour later. As they entered the lane leading to our house, they saw two shady-looking young men lurking nearby. What is the meaning of lurking? To wait or move in a secret way so that one cannot be seen creep around. So class, there were two young men are hiding behind something and they were waiting to move in the shop. Daddy hesitated, but Ashish argued him to ignore them and they kept moving on. Daddy hesitated. Daddy कुछ घबराए, but Ashish told him to ignore them. उनको इग्नोर करने के लिए आशीष ने कहा and they kept moving on. और उन्होंने चलना जारी रखा. When they reached the gate, I opened it. Ashish asked my father to move toward the house while he stood there with me as I was closing and locking the gate. When they reached the gate, जब वो गेट के पास पहुंचे, I opened it. Prince has opened the door and his brother Ashish told his father to move towards the house. कि वो घर की तरफ मूव करें while he stood there with me. जब वो मेरे साथ खड़े थे as I was closing and locking the gate. जब मैं गेट को क्लोज और लॉक कर रहा था. Suddenly 6 or 7 men pushed the gate open. Ashish and I blocked their path. One of them put a revolver to Ashish's head and threatened to shoot him unless we moved out of their way. Suddenly अचानक से ही 6 or 7 men pushed the gate forcefully and Prince and his brother block their they were trying to block their path. One of them put a revolver to Ashish head. उनमें से एक ने आशीष के हेड पे रिवॉल्वर रखी and threatened to shoot him, और उसे शूट करने के लिए धमकाने लगा. Unless we moved out of their way, the threat had no effect on Ashish, who shouted back, "Do not show me this toy." Then suddenly Ashish punched the man with the revolver on his face, making him lose his balance, but another man with a revolver hit Ashish on his skull and he fell. Robbers were threatening Ashish, but this threat did not affect on him and he said, "Don't show me this toy." ये खिलौना मुझे मत दिखाओ. Then suddenly Ashish punched the man. आशीष ने सडनली उसको पंच किया with the revolver on his face, making him lose his balance, but another man with a revolver hit Ashish on his skull and he fell. So in this paragraph we have read about Ashish, Prince's brother. He was very brave and he said, "Don't show me the toy," because he was not afraid of the threat of the robbers, and he punched the man on his face and making him lose his balance. But the another robber hit on his skull with his revolver and Ashish fell down on the floor. Now we will read the next page of this story. So open your page number 46. This angered me greatly and I caught that man by his neck, squeezing his air pipe and sank my teeth into his arm. Ashish was full of anger by the deed of this robber and he caught his neck and squeezing the air pipe and sank his teeth into his arm. He started shouting in pain. The robber started shouting in pain. One of his accomplices fired at me but missed. He fired on Prince, but it missed. The bullet hit the compound wall. बुलेट ने कंपाउंड वॉल को हिट किया बट हिज सेकेंड शॉट पियर्स माई बैक. लेकिन उसका जो सेकेंड शॉट था वो मिस नहीं हुआ. इट डिड नॉट मिस एंड ही पियर्स हिज बैक. प्रिंस की बैक को उसने पार कर दिया. Barely an inch away from the spinal cord, and I fell to the ground. In the commotion that followed, the robbers fled. Prince fell down on the ground and suddenly there was some confusion. There was some noise because some people were coming on that place and robbers fled. Robbers ran away. Fled means ran away. So when some people were coming on that place, then robber ran away from the place. My father, who was throwing iron buckets and other household items at the robbers from the second floor of our house, came running down. When he heard the shots, he and my injured brother carried me to the house. Our neighbors too reached the scene and I was taken to the government hospital nearby. On that time, Prince's father threw the iron buckets and other household items on the robbers from the second floor of the house, and he came running down when he heard the shot. जैसे ही उन्होंने गोली की आवाज़ सुनी वैसे ही वो दौड़कर नीचे आ गए. And my brother and me injured on that time, and our neighbors taken us to the government hospital that is nearby of my house. I was fully conscious. मैं पूरी तरह से conscious था, पूरी तरह से मैं होश में था. The doctor said the bullet has just grazed me. The bullet has just break the surface of the skin. It is just touched the skin. The doctor said the bullet has just touched the skin and had not pierced the body. इसने body को पार नहीं किया था, छेदा नहीं था. But the next morning a senior doctor advised us to go to Patna. लेकिन नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग हमें सीनियर डॉक्टर ने एडवाइस किया कि हमें पटना जाना है, कि हमें पटना जाना चाहिए. वी शुड गो टू पटना, द स्टेट कैपिटल, 110 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम गया, जो कि कैपिटल है गया से 110 किलोमीटर दूरी पर, फॉर बेटर मेडिकल एड. At the Alok Nursing Home in Patna, Dr. Narendra Prasad advised immediate surgery since the bullet was lodged inside my body. Lodged means become fixed. The bullet was fixed in his body. That's why Dr. Narendra Prasad advised him to immediate surgery. I was operated upon and had to stay in the nursing home for 20 days. Prince Kumar, after operation, he stayed in the nursing home for 20 days. वो 20 days तक उसने nursing home में stay किया after operation. I had to stay in Patna for 1 day and a half month after I was discharged from the nursing home. मैं 1.5 महीने के बाद नर्सिंग होम से डिस्चार्ज हो गया एज आई वॉज नॉट इन अ पोजिशन टू ट्रैवल, जैसे कि मैं ट्रैवल करने की पोजीशन में नहीं था. डैडी रेंटेड अ रूम देयर. डैडी ने मेरे लिए एक वहाँ पे रूम रेंट पर लिया, किराए पर लिया. मोर ओवर आई हैड टू गेट पस ड्रेन फ्रॉम माई वाउंड फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. मेरे वाउंड से काफ़ी टाइम तक पस निकलता रहा. आफ्टर दैट आई वेंट फॉर ऑर्थोपेडिक एक्सरसाइज विच हेल्प मी वॉक नॉर्मली. इसके बाद मैंने ऑर्थोपेडिक एक्सरसाइज की. ऑर्थोपेडिक एक्सरसाइज इट इज़ ट्रीटेड इन अ बोन इंजरी. ऑर्थोपेडिक एक्सरसाइज विच हेल्प मी वॉक नॉर्मली. When I was operated upon, the doctors had told me, father, that I might walk with a limp. Fortunately for me, that did not happen because I was not able to do this. It was while I was at the nursing home that Dr. Prasad told my father that I could get a bravery award for what I had done. Later, my elder brother, who studies in Delhi, submitted an application at Rashtrapati Bhavan and completed other required formalities. It was while I was at nursing home. जब मैं nursing home में था, then Dr. Prasad told my father, मेरे father से कहा that I could get a bravery award for what I had done, कि मुझे अगर bravery award मिला तो वो क्या करेंगे, कि वो क्या करेंगे. लेटर माई एल्डर ब्रदर हु स्टडीज़ इन दिल्ली, बाद में मेरा बड़ा भाई जो दिल्ली में स्टडी कर रहा था, उसने एक एप्लीकेशन सबमिट की टू द राष्ट्रपति भवन एंड कंप्लीटेड फॉर द completion ऑफ अदर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर्मेलिटीज़. नाउ वी विल रीड द लास्ट पेज ऑफ द स्टोरी, that is on page number 47. On 14 November 2000, my father read the news about my getting the award in a newspaper. 14 November 2000 को मेरे फादर ने न्यूज़पेपर में एक न्यूज़ पढ़ी. माई फैमिली वॉज ओवरजॉयड. मेरी फैमिली जो थी वो ओवर एक्साइटेड थी. माई फ्रेंड्स, क्लासमेट्स एंड टीचर्स वर ऑल वेरी हैप्पी फॉर मी. मेरे टीचर्स, क्लासमेट्स और मेरे फ्रेंड्स सभी मेरे लिए बहुत हैप्पी थे. एवरीबडी वॉज कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटिंग माई फादर एंड मी. आशीष, माई ब्रदर, गॉट अ जनरल ब्रेवरी अवार्ड. इट वॉज आवर ग्रेटेस्ट मूवमेंट. सो क्लास, ऑन 14 November 2000, Prince and his brother got the bravery award for the bravery that they showed with the robbers. Even in my dream, I had never expected to participate in the Republic Day parade or meet the Prime Minister or President. मैंने अपने ड्रीम्स में भी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं कभी रिपब्लिक डे परेड में पार्टिसिपेट करूंगा और प्राइम मिनिस्टर और प्रेसिडेंट से मिलूंगा. द अवार्ड हैज़ मेड इट पॉसिबल. इट विल हेल्प मी इन मेकिंग माई करियर. द अवार्ड, इस अवार्ड ने ये सब कुछ पॉसिबल कर दिया जो कि मेरे करियर में, मेरे करियर को बनाने में, मेक करने में मेरी हेल्प करेगा. आई हैव बीन टू दिल्ली बिफोर बट इट वॉज सो डिफरेंट दिस टाइम. मैं कई बार दिल्ली आया हूँ इससे पहले, लेकिन ये वाला टाइम सबसे डिफरेंट था, सबसे अलग था. अरेंजमेंट्स वर मेड फॉर आवर फ्री स्टे एंड वी वर टेकन फॉर टूर्स टू अम्यूजमेंट parks and other beautiful places. I think all children should act brave when the need arises. In fact, we should not expect the police to be there every time and should focus on self-defense. So, class, here Prince is advising us to show the bravery whenever it needed. We should not expect the police to be there every time, and we should face the situation by yourself as he faced. So class, this is the chapter that courage, children of courage, and in this chapter we have read about prince who showed the courage against the robbers who wanted to rob his house. So class, now you have to read the chapter again, and in Zoom class we will discuss our let's tries and word meanings also. So bye bye, take care yourself.